Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Qwen 3.5 locally. So, without further ado, let us begin. To run Qwen 3.5 locally, I'll open up my browser and look for Ollama. It basically lets you run LLMs on your computer. I'll click download, yoink. And while it's downloading, I'll go into models and here's Qwen 3.5. I'll click on it here and I can choose which version of the LLM I want to download. Bigger ones are better, but harder to run for your computer. I'll pick the 9 billion one and here's the command that I'll need to install it. I'll then go into my downloads location and open the Ollama installer. Boink, then install to install it. And once it's done, I can send the installer right to the trash. Next, I'll open up the start menu and look for this scary thing called PowerShell. Don't worry, we'll do everything step by step. So this is where I want to copy and paste in that command from the Ollama website and click enter. It's now downloading Qwen 3.5. It will take 64 years, and once it's done, boom, it says send a message. I can now talk to Qwen 3.5 AI locally on my computer. Once I click enter, it starts to think. This is one of the cool features of Qwen, and after a while, it spits out the answer. Very nice. But what the hell is this? I want a clean, nice interface like ChatGPT instead of this black box. So to have a fancy interface, I'll open up my browser and look for Docker. It's what's going to let me run the nice interface. I'll click download and choose my operating system. Then inside my downloads location, I'll open the installer, say yes, and hear OK. And after it's done, I'll close and restart my PC. Then click accept and finish. If Docker complains about WSL missing, open up PowerShell again, type WSL-install, and let it do its magic. Then Docker will open up, where I'll be able to create an account. And after a while, I'm in. Next, inside of my browser, I look for how to start Open Web UI container. Inside of the first link, I'll be able to find this command. If your PC has an NVIDIA GPU, then you can use the command that's below this one, so your AI runs faster. Paste it in. It's going to do its magic, and once it's done, I'll click Allow. There's one more thing to check, so I'll search for Windows features and click here. And I'm looking for Virtual Machine Platform. I want to make sure it's enabled. Beautiful. So now I'll open Docker, and here you'll see a new thing that's spawned in. I'll click on these numbers, and boom, stuff is happening. I'll click Get Started and create an account. I'll need it to log in into my new AI interface. Once I'm done, I'll say, let's go here, and boom, I have the Qwen 3.5 model loaded offline, and I can chat with it. And once I type in a prompt, it's going to take its sweet time to think and eventually spit out an answer. If I don't want to use it anymore, I can go back to Docker and click this to stop it. Now you may be thinking, I have all of this AI stuff installed, how do I get rid of it? I'll go to my Start menu and look for Control Panel. Then inside of Programs and Features, I'll select Docker and uninstall, and it's going to remove itself from my PC. The exact same thing with Ollama, but Qwen is still taking up space on my PC. To eliminate it as well, I'll open up File Explorer, go into C Drive, Users, then my username, and here I'll delete .docker and .ollama folders. But whoa, what's down there, you may ask? A little penguin has spawned in as well. To make it fly away, I'll go into the Start menu, look for Turn Windows Features on or off again, and inside I'm looking for Windows Subsystem for Linux. Once I turn it off, it will ask me to restart my PC. A sneaky Windows update later, I'm back. All the storage space is free again, and there's no more penguin in my File Explorer.